Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the patterns and styles contained in my Vintage Comic Book Creator pack to create authentic comic book effects. Now with the styles and patterns I've also supplied a number of grunge overlays, and if you work directly into these files you'll find a folder like this here which has 3 layers in it, and you can turn them off and on as desired. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a background. And I've already prepared the document here with some shapes and a few layers, and on this background I just have an inner glow, and I'm going to add a pattern to it. And to do that I double click here and select pattern overlay and choose my pattern by clicking on it there and click OK. Now above that I would like to add a little halftone effect, and I'm going to do this by adding a pattern. So I'm going to add a new layer and fill it with white, like so. Set it to multiply, and then double click on the layer and go back to pattern overlay, select my halftone pattern, set it to multiply here as well, and adjust the opacity. And you can scale the pattern size here by using the scale slider. So I'll set that to 100%, and then you have some halftone pattern. Now, as I said just now, I've already added some shapes into the document and I'm going to colour them up. So I'm now going to apply one of the styles to this explosion here. And all I do is select the layer, select my style here by clicking on it, and there it is. Now the halftone pattern looks a bit small, so we can scale that up by going to Layer, Layer Style, and Scale Effects, like so. And I'll apply a pattern to the layer above it. As you can see, the attributes default to the previous set that you used, so I'm going to have to reset this to normal and 100%. And I'll add another pattern overlay on these nice lines that come in here. And on the clouds I'll place a style. And the bottom element's made up of 4 different bits. I'll use a mixture of styles and patterns here. So I'm going to use this yellow style, but I'm going to adapt it slightly because what I don't want is this inner glow here. So, sorry, inner shadow. So I'm going to just knock that out, like so. And then on explosion number 2, I'll just place a pattern as I've done before. And same on the bomb, but a different pattern. And again on the highlights we'll use the grey pattern. And as you can see it's coming together, so all I've got left to do is the text layers. So as you can see I've typed my text already and placed it, and I'm going to select my letter and then just click on one of the styles. Now I'd like to scale the effects up globally as I did before, so again to layer, layer style, scale effects, and we'll go to 150%, and that's much better. Click OK. And rather than apply all the styles individually and scale them individually, you can copy your layer styles. So click with the mouse and select copy layer style, then select all your other letters and paste layer style. And I'm going to paste the same set of styles on this text here, and again on their creator text. So select them all and paste layer style. And there's one final thing to do here, which is apply a pattern to these little movement lines around the edge here. So select pattern overlay, select your pattern, click OK. And that's how easy it is. Realistic comic book effects in minutes. Thanks for watching.